and promises, how to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, watching you stand alone. All of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
So guess what guys? Kung si Hearty Bang isa ay pumunta na sa supermarket. Works wrong round. Follow mo ko sa sa social media. Shoutout nga pala. Kita natin na nakapit dito and seems like ako nandito para kung sakasakali man makot nila yung attention ko. It seems like gusto ko rin magbigay sa kanila ng sweet positive good vibes. Wellness signifies beauty inside and out. Na kapag makita nila ito, yung mga problema nila, their negativity, negativity moods or thoughts, and it's diverting to this positivity and gusto natin makalaya sila ng alam mo yung sick and makabalik sa kanilang mga pamilya and may enjoy ang buhay. So yan guys. Ito na nga. Yan. Si Kuya Edwin. I love you Kuya Edwin Olivares. O diba guys, compared before, kita natin ngayon that ang bulungan ngayon ay very organized na at malinis. So, papasok tayo ngayon where exactly this is the place para i-practice natin ang ating footwork. Hello po. Mag-miss talaga mama. O diba? So this is, oh my gosh, this is a perfect place event for such any occasion like as beauty pageant and Christmas party events, yung mga, may mga budget dyan. Ang ganda dito guys. Oh, see? Sige, dito tayo kukuha guys. My gosh. Ikot muna natin ang grounds guys. Yan. So kanina doon tayo pumasok sa kabilang side, on left sides. Now we are here. Ikot natin yung kung gaano kalaki ang place na to guys. Yan. This is a project or this is already an accomplishment project. Project accomplished by Mayor City Mayor Parañaque, Mayor Edwin Olivares. Oh, this is a perfect place talaga. Pulos na lang perfect, di ba? But exactly yes naman kasi iba syempre si Mayor Edwin Olivares, guys. Talagang his dedication to all our constituent or his people of Parañaqueños, he do such a very generosity. Kaya tanggap ko na rin kahit wala akong ayuda guys. Yan. O diba? But exactly, ang ganda. So yan, kapag ito, let's say yung mga basu-basura lang ng konti dyan, seems like okay din naman, but definitely magkaroon pa ito ng sinasabing what you call this, fully cleanliness projects, yung mga ganyan. So yan. At itatry natin ang aking ramp modeling.
Today If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. We might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world might change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. With you I see forever oh so clearly. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Oh, nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more.
And still guys, nandito na tayo. Kaya alam niyo naman kung si Heart Evangelista, bibili lang sa supermarket at nakagaon. Ako naman ay nandito ngayon sa Bulungan para mamili ng fresh fish. At syempre nga guys, nakapabili na tayo ng ating mga pinabili dito sa Bulungan. So meron tayong nabili na seaweeds pa to ba? Yeah, seaweeds. And this one. Ayan. Bangus. At syempre, ano ba ito? Meron akong pet guys ko. Ayan. So yan. Pakay na siya guys. And eto. Sarap din ito dito guys. And that would be all. Keep following me on my social media account because Bells Rose, she sacrificed beauty inside and out, and she just gave me sweet, positive, good vibes. Pag sinabi ni Direk, take one lang, take one lang. Pero sa totoong buhay, maraming beses ka mang madapa, bangon agad because we don't need to stick into this negativity, but instead into this positivity and not being stressed, keep glow up. And pag sinabing positive, hindi positive sa ganito, alam nyo na yon. Thank you for that. Bye-bye and see you on my next vlog. At syempre pa, i-promote na rin natin dahil nagutom si Belus Roar. Ayan, nagutom si Belus Roar sa kanyang pamamalengke sa Bulungan. Kaya pumunta na kayo dito guys sa kanto ng Green Hills. Dito na kay Ate Guya. Ayan, meron sa mga palamig dito. And yung mga toklene, kwek-kwek, lumpia. Ayan, Mars, hello. Hindi naman dyan. So ayan. At meron pa sila dito mga yan, kanin ulam. So, pumunta na lang din kayo dito dahil yan. Marami na ako nabiling isda guys. That's why luluto ko ito at yun nga. Pero ng masarap na tananghalian si Venus Roar. Thank you!